Use a putty knife or a tapered plastic windshield tool to carefully pry and separate the glazing bead from the sash. Be cautious and slow to avoid damaging the vinyl bead during removal. When the last glazing bead is removed, the glass assembly can fall out, so be sure to handle the glass carefully. Horizontal glazing beads have a square end, while vertical glazing beads are angled to a point. Begin with the horizontal bead that has the square end and place it at the top. Press the bead into the sash at one end and slide it along its length until it snaps into place by hand. Continue installing the other beads, both horizontal and vertical, until all beads are secured around the window.